Section 15, General Phrases.
Walla deach,
Will you have something to drink?
an dúrfá tatín dom,
Do you have a cigarette?
túr dearga dom,
Do you have a light?
dúsigh mé ag a seacht,
Wake me at 7 o'clock.
gloi taxi le dhail,
Call a taxi, please.
an lacha tú le séic,
Will you take a check?
cáhfuil stad na mos,
Where is the bus stop?
cad astait,
Where do you come from?
bích deach again,
Come and have a drink.
bhfuil teachtracht agat dom,
Is there a message for me?
cá bhéit an cár áil cías,
Where can I hire a car?
cá bhéit an rotharáil cías,
Where can I hire a bicycle?
a bhéad fá cabhrúlam,
Can you help me?
bhfuil cead go mé chimád,
Can I keep it?
bhfuil cead gom é ágáil an seo,
Can I leave it here?
a deacha tú lom,
Can you come with me?
táim imethe mú,
I'm lost.
tá mochar cailte gom,
I've lost my key.
bhiste leat de chár a bhogad begánín,
Could you move your car?
cá níocha mé,
Where do I pay?
cá bhéting ledóg éimist,
Where do I play tennis?
bhfuil cead gom sí síos,
Can I sit down?
ba bhhailm fannacht ihe eile,
I would like to stay another night.
ná stad an seo,
Don't stop here.
bhiste leat gríonchráf a thógáil,
Could you take a photograph?
bhiste leat an focail a hispántom san ocláir,
Could you show me the word in the dictionary?
fan nóméid le dhail,
One moment, please.
bhfuil an bus seo ag dolisteach sa chathair,
Does this bus go to the city?
cá bhéting pápéir cheannach,
Where can I buy a newspaper?
cá bhéting rollas ganáin cheannach,
Where can I buy a roll of film?
cá bhéting cártaí puist cheannach,
Where can I buy postcards?
cá bhéting stampaí
Where
cheannach,
can I buy stamps?
a dhéana tú rincelam,
Would you like to dance?
bhfuil éon duine an sin,
Is there anybody there?
is mailam ceol,
I like music.
ní mailam ceol,
I don't like music.
tá sé go má,
It's good.
tá sé go donna,
It's bad.
tá sé deacair,
It's difficult.
tá sé forasta,
It's easy.
bhfuil cead an telefón agam,
May I use the telephone?
táim chun dolig siúlóid.
I'm going for a walk.